Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you for all the new subscribers. You really helped me out. Today we're gonna fix that old ASUS router. As you know, there's an issue with these old routers. They changed the design with the new ones, but with the old ones, we use the real technical fix here. It was running for 8 years. 5 years out of it, it was running like this, with a toothpick in it. Or I had some tape on it also. But today I want to fix it because I still can use it. We're gonna fix it, and then we will use it as a NAS. So we hang it in the network and use it as a NAS. And like always, this is for my click and point community, and it's not meant for any IT people out there, because we have no clue what we are doing. We just try to figure it out. Let's get started on that. Put that thing apart. I didn't watch any other videos on it, so first I gotta find out where the screws are, and then we see how we can put it apart. So I'm going to put my gloves on so I don't forget it. It's not because of any germs or something, it's because I will use super glue, and who haven't glued their fingers together yet? I don't know. Well, people like me did it. So let's unplug the power cord, because we don't need that switch anyhow. When somebody tells you to power cycle the router, you usually pull anyway the power cords, so not a big deal. Now I remove the professional repair here. You maybe hear the clicking. Now it's out and it's just not sticking. And this is a known issue from these old routers. So now we have to open it. First I get rid of the antennas. Now we have to try to find some screws. This tape is on for years and years, so it probably don't come off anymore. I'm not even going to go in there with a soldering iron or something. I'm just gonna wing it and disable that switch somehow, or make it work all the time without a toothpick falling out every time I'm gonna move the router or grab behind it or something. So first I gotta find some screws. I didn't find any screws anywhere on this router. So the best thing to do would look up where the screws are, but I'm just going to play around with it. Oh, they're glued on this little feet here. So we have some feet glued on here. I just remove them, and when you look in it, I don't know if you can see it, there are screws in there. Looks like Phillips. So I think there may be some clips in here or something. So you could use something plastic, or I'm gonna see if I can get in with a old credit card Or this one is a good Sam's Club card. Ah, I got in here. And then just wiggle it around and hope it opens. Yep. There it is. And here we have that switch. So let's take this main board out. See if it comes out so we get better to the switch. Maybe we can remove the cap from the switch. I need to take this cap off. There it came off. I just pulled it off. I leave the spring and everything in it. Now let me see how much room we have. I just gotta cut a small piece off. So now we have a stack of plastic in here. I'm gonna plug it in. And we get lights, that means the power is there. Now all we have to do is put it back together. There are a couple of these things still intact, so maybe we get lucky. And it snaps back together. We just gotta push these in, and the screws will do the rest. It pulls it back on. So now you can see here, there's no more button. And because I used the black plastic, it looks like it belongs like that. Perfect! Please hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. And that's it. See you next week. Thanks for watching.